Hello everyone, this is Harshni Shriran and I'm so happy to see you all in another video of my channel. Today I'm going to unbox my 12th standard books and I'm so eager to do it. And my mom is going to help me doing in it. She's going to unbox the box and I'll just attach a clip of it.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
opened it as you would have seen, and I'm so happy to take it. And guess what, I have just opened it upside down as my books went down and my files and such things came up. Actually, we used to receive our books in that jute bags, but this time we have received in this big cardboard box. And I'm so happy to see it, but it's very difficult to carry. If we get in bags, no, we get 2 bags and we just carry and come, but it's very difficult to carry. So they said our parents to come and collect this. So yes, I'll show you what is inside it, just because next year I could not do it because I'll not be in school by next year. This is last year of my school, guys. I have got this file and we used to get it every year. Actually, I think so we had got more books this year. This one is the cover for books and label. Every year I'll be just happy when I get books, but while reading it goes. Then pencil. It's just a pen pencil and a lead box with it. We used to get it every year, but this year we didn't get geometry box. I guess we don't have any kind of geometry for 12th standard. Then yes, I'll show my books. It's a record note. What a record notes, I don't know whether we can show it or not, but I'm just showing. These are record notes. As I'm a biomax student, I got for record note for biology, chemistry, physics, and we have our additional subject physical education. And what book is this? This is a biology book. So nice. I love the smell of new books. It's so big. The bio book is so new. So happy to see all these things and so eager. And chemistry part 1 book. I guess we'll be seeing it upside down, right? Yes, I'll show it clearly. And chemistry part 2 book. Oh, this one is physical education book and it's all covered in a plastic so safely. It's an additional subject actually. This is physics part 1 book. Rubber. Okay. These are graph notes. We got 2 graph notes. And this is 80 pages note. And hereafter comes all the notes. Yeah, I have many 120 pages note. If I take it, I could not keep it inside again, so I'm not just taking it. And we have these sheets. We used to get it in our school every year. I'll just show you. I just took it. See, this is our 120 pages note. I guess you guys would be asking. I'm just studying in Belamal Vidyalaya, and I study here from first standard in this school. Yeah, this sheet. This sheet we get it from our school. I guess you guys could. This sheet. It would be very useful, but I have many bunch of it. We get more and more of it. See how much we got. And every time while unboxing book, I'll be just happy because it's so new. No, I like to see them all. Again, many 120 pages note. Yeah, many 120 pages. And this is Maths Part 1 book. I thought they didn't give maths book yet, but it's being given. It's so under. These are physics and chemistry lab manual, and this one is Maths Part 2 book. This is bio lab manual. Yeah, it's English Flamingo and Vistas. It's Physics Part 2 again. And we received all our books, and I have many 120 pages again in more. And I wanted to show you guys that we used to get in this bag. This bag actually. But they gave with this box. They had, so sweet, right? They had given two box thing, like that is the bags inside for easy carry, but I said it's not easy carry, but yeah, it's inside. We didn't see it. Then here comes my scale, and it's just like so nice. They give all the stationery items in school. Yeah, okay, here after there comes a work for me that is keeping every book inside, and I'll show you that the mess I made here by showing you guys the book. And I just wanted to cover it again, and they had been starting portions in our school, and we have to cover it and take it to her school, these books, and I'm just like arranging it by talking with you guys. Yes, I just have the same bunch of sheet which they gave me in 11th standard, and I didn't use it at all. I didn't at all use it, and I have the same bunch like that because we like received the bunch of paper during our quarterly exam, and I didn't use it much. Lab manuals keeping inside. Physics Part 2 books, so nice, but I don't know how it would be for reading, and I just understand the struggle of every science student now, and how it's going for you guys. Just comment down. Nobody is just commenting down your experience on seeing my video, how it is, and you guys are very free to comment on my video. Yes, I just did it. I just kept everything inside, and I should put cover for it. Actually, NCERT books are very poor in condition, but all our classworks and homeworks are like from which Pearl Printers and Publishers. They are so good in quality. It's just not a promotion. I'm just studying from first and I get books from here. It's just I wanted to show you guys, and I'm so excited to see the books, and I wanted to show you the same kind of excitement. I thought of taking this video for 10th and 11th, but I didn't, but I missed it. This time I showed all my books to you guys, and I'm so very happy. And these files also I have many because I receive it every year. So nice. Yes, I kept everything inside except these 2 bags. We can use it for many purposes. I consume it. And this is the check sheet we get in our school. Like what the books they give, everything would be printed here. We could check it whether we have all the books, and my parents would check and bring it for me because they receive. But last year in 10th and 11th we like went and took the books and came, but it was just hard for us. We like used to get the book and climb 3 stairs and keep the book with us, and while coming we get the books again, we climb down the 3 stairs and take the books. Like this 2 bags fully we used to get the book, and we used to carry to our van, and from van we used to carry to home. It's very hard for us. And this year it's so happy that parents could come and collect. And bye everyone, and I'll see you in the next another video. Stay tuned. Bye.